The Solent. There really is nowhere quite like it. We love its sandy beaches, busy harbours, winding inlets, and shingle shores. But we're not the only ones who love it here. Meet Brent geese, just arrived from Siberia for the winter. The Solent's where they choose to spend the colder months, and that's because of the special way the sea meets the land here. There's godwits from Iceland, turnstones from Canada and Greenland, and in summer, terns fly in from Africa. Thousands of birds migrate here every year from around the world. They come for our marvellous mudflats, our standout salt marshes, and our top-notch shingle beaches. Aren't we lucky to share our shores with them? But like lots of birds, they've been having a tough time of late. The good news? We can make a difference just by giving them lots of space. That way, they won't get spooked by us or our dogs, and they won't waste energy moving away, which gives us the best chance of them coming back next year and doing well in the future. So next time you're out on the coast, keep a lookout for the birds. If they're looking towards you, it might mean you've got a little too close. Just move a bit further away. Keep your dogs alongside you and follow requests you see on signs. It's about being bird aware and keeping the Solent special for generations to come.